Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm back for just a quick video. I could not be bothered to put on makeup. I could not be bothered to put on a wig. I have my little ponytail in. But I wanted to introduce you to my new filming space. I wanted to show y'all how to create a filming space that is affordable, and you don't have to have a super nice home. You don't have to have a home that is perfect. I see a lot of these successful YouTubers having homes that are like absolutely gorgeous and perfect, and a lot of us don't have that. So I wanted to just show you how I have created a space that works for me and it works for my home. My home is very small. I wanted something that was functional for my home. It didn't really interfere with my living space as well, because I wanted to separate work from home. I've done a set before, but this one is like an upgrade to me because I kind of have figured out what my aesthetic is. I have a mirror. This mirror I've had for a while. I got this from my mother-in-law from her house. She gave this to me. Thank you. This wallpaper back here, this is new wallpaper. I got it from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below, but this is just Amazon wallpaper. My sister uses it for her YouTube channel as well. I love this wallpaper. It's like this gray wood color. It kind of matches with everything and it gives you this nice neutral background without it being too white. I needed some green. I just have this plant. It was $14 from Walmart. I don't know what type of plant this is. What is it? So this plant is a Majesty Palm. So it's like really green, but it gives you like those, I don't know, island vibes. I don't know what type of vibes it gives. I got this little rug. This is actually a rug from TJ Maxx. I think I paid like $10 to $14 for that. And then the most expensive thing here is this chair. This chair was like $30 to $50 from Target, and it's just a really pretty gray chair, and it matches perfectly with like almost any background, and I love that as well. Of course, these floors, I've created hardwood floors because I hate carpet floors. So these floors are a contact paper that I got from Amazon, and I put them on plywood so I can step on it and it still acts like a wood floor. I'm filming this on my iPhone XS. At first, I got this phone yesterday. I used to film on an iPhone 7, the back camera, and then I used my Mac as a viewfinder, but I have like 2 lights that I got from Amazon and a $50 ring light. I just wanted to share with y'all that if you want to do YouTube or any social media job, you can do that affordably. You just have to be creative. And I've always been broke, honey, okay? And when you're broke, you get real creative real fast. But that's it. But yes, this is my space. I hope that you love it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on Wednesday for Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Love you. Bye.